Hi, my name is Craig. I'm an artist that lives on the West Coast. I paint the power and the drama of the landscapes and the ocean that I see around me. In my journey to be able to share my art and designs with the world, I've decided to brand regular everyday items with my artwork. The first product we're bringing to market is a sustainable and reusable bottle. Bottles are just part of our everyday life. We take them with us everywhere. Our bottles are exclusive. They are produced in limited edition with my copyrighted art. You won't find them anywhere else. But aside from the style and beauty, it was important to us that the manufacturing of our products aligned with our values and expectations.
The Craig J. Bauer bottles are safe. They are easy to clean, non-toxic, and unbreakable. They are durable. They are made from double-walled, vacuum-sealed, food-grade stainless steel. The bottles keep liquids cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Helping to reduce single-use plastics, they are sustainable, responsibly made, and reusable.
The first two bottles being released feature two of my favorite paintings, the Chesterman and the Island of Love, both painted on one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Chesterman Beach in Tofino, British Columbia. To date, we've been entirely self-funded. We've been able to place an initial test order, and now we're ready to go to the next level. And at a future funding level, we'll release one of our new designs. We're asking the Kickstarter community to support us with your pledge so that we can move to our first full-scale production order. We want to be the type of company that makes a difference in this world. I really appreciate your support.